All right, let's take a look at how to use YouTube. So I'm looking at my YouTube channel here, and if I want to browse and look at other things on YouTube, I'm typically going to click on the YouTube logo, and it's just going to show me some stuff, some random stuff. Or I can click on subscriptions, and then it should show me the people who I'm subscribed to. So if I go to just home or YouTube, I'm going to get a more random selection of stuff. And if what you find there is weird or you're not a fan of the stuff that you're seeing, one thing you can do is click on the little dots here and say not interested or don't recommend this. You can say don't recommend the interested in it or don't recommend the channel. So you can say I don't like the topic or I don't want the source. Another way you can monitor or modify, I guess, the information that's going to show up on a potential front page YouTube attempt to show you stuff you like, one way you can help control that is to go to your history. And that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. So we're looking at the history of videos that we've looked at. We go over here to the left and click on the history tab. And I guess it's got my watch history here by default. So I just got done doing a video looking at all these locked and loaded Latino videos. So that's why there's a whole bunch of those in there. And that's not bothering me because whatever they're talking about is fine. I watched the Moo and Barbecue Hour, so I'll leave that one in there. There's my own video, another video. Now here's a video that I think I saw this on my phone. I think I was scrolling through and didn't listen to the video, but I let the video play on my phone just like it's doing in the preview here. And because of that, it shows up in my watch history. So I can remove that from my watch history and it won't incorporate the channel, the source, or the topic into my history, from what I understand, from my experience. Now this one is a weird video where these people are feeding monkeys and this monkey tries to dance or shake hands or steal this little girl. It's hard to say. Either way, I don't need a bunch of monkey videos, so getting rid of that one. This one, I don't know why I watched it. It's 22 seconds long and it's this girl getting tased, I guess. So I'm gonna click X. I don't even remember watching it. This is a little girl in China who has a dog who is like friends with her. So she has like a service dog. I must have scrolled by on my phone and seen that. I really don't remember watching it. Sometimes I'll fall asleep, I guess, and maybe if a video plays after a video I'm watching, potentially they'll show up in your history that way. So you can modify them out of there. Now this one is a video from Jared, and I just don't want Chipman in my feed, so I'm getting rid of that one. And then we start getting into just videos that I've watched. So if I go down here and see some videos that I watched, here's one from a channel that talks about this concept of The Rock, the movie The Rock, being a James Bond movie. And it's a 18-minute video. It actually is pretty interesting, goes into why The Rock is a James Bond movie, in my opinion. But I'm going to click X on that because I don't really want a bunch of movie reviews. I don't want a bunch of conspiracy theory stuff. I don't want a bunch of James Bond stuff showing up in my feed. And as I scroll down here, I guess there's not too much other stuff I might want to do that to, but like this, I watched my other video looking at weird food. Yeah, okay, now that I've seen the video, I don't need it in my watch history. And I could probably do the same thing up here for one of these other food videos that, I guess I don't have it, but I already removed it. If I watch a food video, I'll usually remove that from my history just so that I don't start seeing food stuff. Now if we go to YouTube here, we should start seeing a modified attempt to show you stuff you might like, and it's going to base that on things like what you've already looked at. So that's a little tip. Took a little while to explain it. Let us know if you think that's something that you've used before and it works, or well, I guess that's all we can ask. So let us know in any comments. Till next time.
So let us know what you think. We'll be watching the comments wherever you find the video, over on gunstreamer.com or on guntube.org.
Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourages you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.